Most wanted man in South Africa, Vusi Boxing, the former Ben 10 of the celebrity Zodwa Wabantu. They've been a reward offered by Zodwa Wabantu for anyone who comes with the info of his whereabouts.
Vusi, maramamela la. Ayakufuna amaphoyisa and anyone ombonayo loyo fraudster. Anyone ombonayo guys, I pay 20,000.
Ihlukene imbono yababukeli ngalolu daba.
Ay Vusi ndoda ngiyazwelana nawe kodwa hayi mina angizovaleka ngenxa yakho no350 ngawushweba hayi mina ndoda ngizokufuna ngize ngikuthole nje ngiyayifuna le mali. Mina msasazi bengithi uzodwa nje akasale seyixolele ingane avume nje ukuthi ihambile. Kodwa u20,000 hayi ngeke Vusi nami la kubona khona ngizokukhipha shame hayi ngizokukhipha. Mina msasazi ngithi uzodwa nxa eseready ukuthatha uBen 10 omtsha akosho ngoba sikhona thina astontsha simasela sivusi thina.